For years, celebrities have been using ice treatment on their face as a type of cryotherapy because of the many benefits on the skin. These ice globes are a simple way to stimulate blood circulation and help tighten and lift your skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Immediately, you will notice brighter skin. What I like to do in the mornings as soon as I wake up, I set my coffee maker and I take these out of the fridge or freezer. And as my coffee brews, I gently massage my face in a downward motion, upward for lifting. It really helps to puff the skin, especially after a late night. It feels wonderful. It awakens your skin and the mind. It's a great way to start your day. It's good to use a serum before, or even in the evenings when I'm using a face mask. I like to massage my face with the ice globes over the face mask. And it really helps penetrate whatever serum or beauty products you're using. For your sinuses, it's wonderful. You wouldn't believe how it feels when you have a migraine. And after any kind of treatment that you might have on your face, like microdermabrasion, any kind of peeling or redness, it really reduces the irritation and inflammation. And I'm ready to start my day.